Hey y'all, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video I'm finally showing you guys me doing one of my favorite styles, which is a crochet style. As I started my hairstylist journey so far, I've been doing a lot of crochet and I love it. Crochet styles are so fun to me. I love to be creative and my main goal is to always make them look natural. So today I'm giving you a sneak peek on what I do to get that natural look. This is one of my favorite clients. I actually have two favorite crochet clients who come all the time and they let me experiment on them and just try new and different methods. And we try different crochet hair. Sometimes we do braids, sometimes we do passion twists, faux locks, all that type of different stuff. But today, this is our first time trying passion twist and they came out beautifully. So right now you see me just starting the front. I'm just going to be braiding them back in some individual boxes. You know, nothing too crazy, but even when I do her hair again next time, I'm probably even going to try something a little bit different than this. I just love trying new things. The product that I'm using is the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, the yellow one, if you guys wanted to know. And she likes more of a fuller head, so I like to do smaller boxes. That's what we were trying out this time. So I think it came out really good and it came out with a look she was happy with. So these are like my medium, pretty small boxes. Sometimes I do circles, like little half moons, but today I'm doing boxes and you're going to be able to see them more better later on. I kind of didn't get the best angle right here, but for the next couple minutes I'm just going to be completely filling her head, the front of her head, with these boxes. Now my braid patterns do take a good little minute because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. I like the boxes to be straight. I love everything to be secured. So the way I do things are not always the quickest, but it is the most effective and the most natural looking. So I really do appreciate my crochet styles and my crochet clients. So I'm going to come back and explain the next part. Alright you guys, so when it comes to the back braid pattern, I tend to do, like I always say, different things. Today I'm doing a horizontal zigzag, and I'd done this before on another client, so I'm still just testing this out. But what I don't like about this braid pattern is that my top braid is always bulky, so I'm trying to see if I can lessen that. If I can't make it a little bit smaller, then I probably won't continue to do this braid pattern like this. I'm gonna try it one more different way, and if it doesn't come out how I want to, then I'll just go back to my other two ways of braiding down the back, which is something a little bit different, a little bit less bulky. But the thing about it is, once I add all the hair, you won't be able to see the bulk anyway, so that's really good. But I just hate seeing it during this phase, so I'm just going to section out and do my zigzag. And a little bit later you're going to see that I section out the perimeter of the head also, and that is to do some illusion boxes back there. The way you enter your crochet hook does matter. Don't think that it's not making a difference. It does. So as you play with crochet, you'll see that sometimes the knot is on top, sometimes the knot is on the bottom, or you can enter horizontally, diagonally. There's different ways you can do it, and it does affect how the finished result looks, so just pay attention to that. If you guys would like a more in-depth video on a client, let me know. But I think I do have a video on my channel doing crochet on myself, so please go check one of those out. I'll try to put one, you know, in the description box for you guys to watch, but this is definitely my first client one, so I'll try to do another one. But as you can see, I'm coming up from the bottom with these crochets right here. I think I did that for most of them. Sometimes I switch it up depending on the area of the head. See right there, I did it from the top just to see how it would look. So yeah, now we're coming up on the halfway mark, so you guys get to see that. And it's really important. The fullness of your head depends on what the client wants. Okay, it does not have to be super full like the girls on the pack. You don't have to look like that. Okay, that's the main point of my crochets that I do. I want the clients to be happy with what they have. I want them to be confidently walking around with what they have, and I want it to look natural. I don't want people to be like, oh, she has a crochet style, and I don't want people to tell automatically that it's crochet. I want them to wonder a little bit, and I think that's why my clients enjoy coming to me. I really love doing crochet. So if you guys need some crochet, come on down to my salon and I can hook you up. It is my favorite thing to do. Alright you guys, so we are coming up on the final style, and I loved this color. I think she loved it, and it was just great overall. As you can see the boxes. You can see that they are individual and it's not just a bunch of them. I think the most important thing is to see some scalp, okay? When you can see scalp and it's not just packed to the brim, you have successfully completed a natural crochet style. So if you guys would like more videos like this, once again, please let me know. I feel like both of my crochet clients are down to record something, so I will definitely be trying to get more out to you guys. I'm just in love with this look. Please leave a comment down below and follow me on Instagram to see more crochet looks at Everything by Maja.